Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install QuickBooks Online for sales and expense tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Locate the sign up or try it free button on the homepage. Click on the button to start the registration process. You will need to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. After entering your details, click Next to proceed. You will be prompted to enter some basic information about your business. Provide the name of your business and the type of industry you're in. Select the appropriate business structure from the given options. Complete the remaining fields, including the business address, phone number, and tax ID if applicable. Once all details are filled out, click on Create Account. Next, you may be asked to choose a subscription level. Review the available plans and select the one that best fits your needs. Proceed to enter your payment information if required. Ensure all information is accurate before finalizing your subscription. Once your account is created, log into QuickBooks Online with your credentials. You will be greeted by a dashboard that helps you navigate through the interface. Set up your company by clicking on the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to configure essential settings for your business. Start by selecting your preferred currency and setting up fiscal year preferences. Next, add any bank accounts you plan on tracking. You may also integrate other financial apps if needed. Once your bank accounts are set up, begin entering your sales and expenses. Navigate to the Sales tab and click Add New. Fill in customer details and the products or services sold. Repeat the process for your expenses under the Expenses tab. Include details such as vendors, amounts, and payment methods. Now, focus on customizing reports for better tracking. Click on the Reports tab to access various reporting options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.